Welcome back to the series on using geographic information systems for historical analysis. In episode 1, we talked about what GIS is, looked at modern and historical examples, and introduced the core idea of this project, mapping the Vietnam War in unique detail. In episode 2, we're taking the first practical steps. We'll cover QGIS software, review the key data types behind this project, and discuss some important caveats every historian needs to understand. If you haven't watched episode 1 yet, I recommend starting there. It's linked in the description. Also, go to the website there and download the data we're using. And if you're following the project, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any part of the series. Now, let's get hands-on. First, go to QGIS.org and download the program we'll be using. QGIS is completely free, open source, and used worldwide. It runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. There are more advanced commercial GIS platforms, but QGIS is more than powerful enough for this project, and it's free. Download the latest long-term release. I'm using version 3.4 Bratislava, so your screen may look slightly different, but it shouldn't impact things. Now let's open QGIS and create a new blank project. Along the top is the menu bar. This is where you create, load, and manage projects. A project is simply a collection of layers. Think of it as a digital overlay stack for studying the Vietnam War. Below the menu bar, you find tool icons that provide quick access to common functions. You can customize these icons by right-clicking, then selecting the tools most often used. The large center window is your map canvas. On the left is the Layers panel, where your data sets will appear once they're loaded. You may also see a tool panel on the right. We'll go over these gradually as the series continues, so don't worry about learning everything right now. We'll be working with two main data types, raster and vector. Raster data is imagery, things like satellite images, scanned maps, and digital elevation models. Vector data consists of points, lines, or polygons, each with spatial information and embedded attributes. Now for today, let's add a vector layer. Layers can come in several formats, which we may discuss later. For this video, we'll add a shapefile. I've created or modified several regional layers, such as province and core boundaries, roads and rivers, which we'll be using throughout this project. Go to Layer, Add Layer, and choose Add Vector Layer. Navigate to the folder containing the data and look for files ending in .shp. Now, select province.shp, then add. At this point, your screen should contain a map showing South Vietnamese provinces circa 1968. The Vietnam War is unique because of the sheer volume of digitized geospatial data collected during the war. Far more data exists for Vietnam than for most wars in history. This is due to Secretary of Defense McNamara's obsession with data. I wish we had this much data when I was conducting PSYOP in Afghanistan. Major sources include Viet Cong-initiated incidents and terrorist activity files, the often criticized Hamlet evaluation system, bombing, Agent Orange records, friendly battalion locations, and much more. When combined, something impossible in the 1960s, these data sets allow us to identify patterns across time and space that can fundamentally change how we study the war. But this data is not perfect. It was collected during an active and chaotic war, often by units under pressure and sometimes with political incentives to report progress. Hamlet evaluation system rating, for example, often show optimism bias. Incident data may be incomplete, duplicated, or geographically imprecise. That said, this data set is still more comprehensive than what exists for almost any other conflict. In future videos, I will discuss the problems and how to use this data. Treat this data as primary source material, powerful, but requiring critical interpretation. Cross-reference it with after-action reports, oral histories, Vietnamese sources, and secondary scholarship. And remember, you can also use the GIS data to test and challenge those other sources. GIS does not give us the truth. It does spark better questions and gives powerful visual tools to explain our research. In episode 3, we'll load more regional data sets and focus on identifying the data and understanding the information stored within each layer. We'll also begin creating our first basic maps. In future episodes, we will add and explore the real Vietnam War data, and then we'll discuss problems with that and visualization techniques for better presentation. Then we can start asking questions of that data, such as what was the status prior to the Tet Offensive in 1968? Thanks for watching episode 2. If it was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Leave a comment below. Are you already using QGIS? What part of the Vietnam War are you most interested in mapping? Share this with historians, GIS users, anyone interested in the Vietnam era. I'll see you next time when we start looking under the hood. Take care.